Okpanam is just 2 minutes away from Asaba. It's more or less the same place as Asaba, which makes him an Oshimile Igbo person. From that axis, the Anyocha Oshimile area, we speak exactly the same kind of. When I have a discussion with any brother of mine across the Niger, he understands what I'm saying. There might be little fluctuations of one word. We can say shine, they can say rine, and little things like that. But in the main, it is the same dialect, it is the same language.
Okay, my people, you all have heard what that honorable from Anyoma land said. His name is Chike Ogea. You can see how he clearly made our people to understand that we Anyoma people are Igbos. He said that the slight difference in our dialect does not mean that we are different people. Just like some people will say Isi, some people will say Ishi, some people will say Aqua, some people will say Awo, some people will say Odume, some people will say Odom. We are saying the same thing. In these regions that are saying that they are not Igbo people, how come the wealthy ones there are saying that they are Igbos? When a politician says that he is not an Igbo man, he is doing that to get political appointments because he knows that the government of the country hates the Igbo race. So in order for him to get that political appointment, he has to deny his Igbo identity, just like Nyeso Wike is doing. The reason why Wike is denying that he's not Igbo is because of his selfish ambition, his selfish political ambition. He is doing that for his pockets. Why some other Ikwere people are supporting him. All those top Ikwere people that are supporting Wike are the ones benefiting from his selfishness. Why others that are saying that they are not Igbos, the poor ones there that are saying that they are not Igbos, they are not benefiting anything. The only thing all those ones are doing is protecting the pipeline. Why Northerners are the ones that are chairman in all those crude oil sites in their land. It's better I identify as the Igbo that I am, why the country is marginalizing me, than I will be denied that I'm not an Igbo, yet I'm still being marginalized. Anyocha local government, what is Anyocha? Clean land. Anidiocha is an Igbo word, it's an Igbo language, it's an Igbo dialect. Ukwane means great land, just like saying Aniuku. Ukwane also means low land. Just like we say Enuane. Enuane means high land. It's all Igbo language. The dialect of Ukwane people is Igbo language. The dialect of Anyocha people is Igbo language. The dialect of Enuane people is Igbo language. The dialect of Ika people is Igbo language. We are one people with the southeast. The River Niger is never a barrier. The River Niger is not a boundary. So many other tribes, there is water between them. You go see tribe where say water divide them, but they still identify as one people. River Ethiopia passed through Abraka. It did not divide the Yoruba people. That river Ethiopia you are seeing, it passed through Abraka, divided them like this. Like the water divided them like this. Divide them, go. Yet, they all identify as Abraka people. They are Yoruba speaking people. They identify as one people. Even when a river that is deeper than River Niger. River Ethiopia is deeper than River Niger. Yet, the river crossed them. They identify as one people. And the enemies of the Igbo race will tell you that River Niger divided the Igbo race. That from River Niger to the southeast are Igbo people. Why from River Niger to Anyoma are not Igbo people? Their plans will always fail because the Igbo unification movement is here to bust their lies. So, Anyoma people saying that they are not Igbos, retrace your steps. The names of your ancestors are Igbo names. If you come to Okwane, we don't bear Benin names. Our ancestors don't bear Benin names. A well-known historian from Okwane land known as Professor Opone. He's the head professor in history department in Delta State University, Abraka. He wrote that Okwane people are of Igbo origin. He made research, and in all his research work that he presented, he said that Okwane people are of Igbo origin and not Bini. In his work, he said that all these ancestors are bearing Igbo names. How come people are saying that they are Bini people? That Bini ancestors of those people are false histories, that they are misleading, that those names are are Igbo names. You will see someone from Ishiago will be telling you he's not Igbo. You will see someone from Okwashiku will be telling you he's not Igbo. You will see someone from Ibuzo will be telling you he's not Igbo. You will see someone from Akuku Igbo will be telling you that he's not Igbo. What is all this? How come we go to school yet? Common sense is a problem. Going to school without common sense is still illiteracy. And that is why so many people went to school, learned business, but they don't have sense to establish business. That's why you go see somebody go tell you say he learn business admin. You come out for school, you give am 1 million, you no fit manage am. You no fit use money, you no fit grow, you no fit establish business. That's why you go see some people go tell you say I went to school but I am poor. Why are you poor? Not that you did not learn a good course, but you don't have common sense to show the world that you went to school. Our people go to school, they don't learn history, and it's affecting them. As we know they learn history for school, make our people see they tell us the true history of our people, make we know where we belong. You can't be speaking Igbo language and you'll be saying that you are not Igbo. It's affecting you. You say you are not Igbo, yet you are not benefiting from the system. A minority that are united is a majority. A nation without unity is a minority. So when you hear that word minority, minority is not just, okay, they're too small. No, if they are too small, but they are so united, they are a majority because what they say must stand. So we Igbos are majority and we are expected to unite as a people, to stand as one people, to have one voice, to have a force. Igbo Bofu, and we must never allow anyone to divide us. Geographical.